So some of the challenges that we faced prior to implementing iLab included using a combination of paper and digital-based systems. These were quite labour intensive. So prior to implementing iLab, my team weren't able to offer the kind of streamlined support that would be most beneficial to our researchers across the instrumentation space.
But moving towards these digital platforms, we've got greater transparency and greater confidence in our data. So that enables us to work more efficiently with our processes. So that digital transformation really gives a lot more confidence in the data that we have in our systems, and it enables us to also report that data up to our executive groups so they can understand what resourcing requirements are needed for the institution to run more smoothly. The decision to adopt Agilent was growth at the institution. We were seeing that our existing platforms, our existing processes were not enabling our academics to perform their tasks efficiently. We scanned the market, and Agilent was one of the few solutions which integrated with some other platforms that we were interested in exploring.
Then the other thing that contributed to our adoption of iLab, I think, would be improving our visibility both internally and externally. We're able to be visible to other organisations about our research capabilities, and our researchers can see other organisations' capabilities. So we're fostering the collaborative environment that our researchers need to do better research.
The overall experience of implementing iLab was excellent overall. It was pretty much seamless.
Our organisational goals are being met through being able to meet our strategic objectives around research infrastructure.
So anytime we did have any questions or we were uncertain about anything, the people here at Victoria University who've been trained by Agilent have been super helpful, very easy, and our issues are resolved pretty much instantaneously, so that's been great. We have a lot of research groups, a lot of people moving around, so just by using this system, we were able to work a lot easier in the lab.
There were a number of operational improvements whenever iLab was implemented. This covered convenience as well as communication.
Our productivity has increased since Agilent, and that's mainly because now we are able to book our systems, book our spaces, and ensure our research can be done months up into advance.
The staff experience across my team, who sit behind the platforms and maintain them, has been a vast improvement in how we can provide these services to our researchers, as well as being able to oversee the compliance and training requirements around these high-spec instruments.
The data integrity at Victoria University has always been good. The digital platforms have enabled us to have confidence in extracting information out of those systems as they are more transparent.
The platform was also excellent with the previous lockdowns, where staff and students could connect into the system to look at the availability of equipment and see whether the services were available.
So Victoria University's transformation into the digital space has enabled researchers to perform their tasks with greater ease because we're providing solutions and systems that make our infrastructure and resources transparent, visible.
The digital transformation journey is improving our research. It's allowing us to have more collegiality in the lab. It's also helping with our documentation processes, and that helps us ensure that the research gets done on time.
We have that greater visibility internally and externally through the iLab platforms, but we're now able to integrate with the Australian Research Infrastructure Network and gain even more visibility through that space.